Okay, the first thing we want to do is to pull your electricity, unhook the electricity, lock out, tag out your company's policy, electricity out of that box, compressed air out of that hookup there. So now we're going to raise the lid, and we're going to zoom in here and show how to pull the spring off of the lid. Just pull that out and pull that off. And do the same thing on the other end. You pull the lid back, take some kind of prop board, sit on there just like that. Flat blade screwdriver. Slide it underneath there, board, pry it up, and just lift that up. We have to remove that overload because you're putting in a bigger motor. It requires larger amps to pull the load. So he's pulling the wires that goes to the motor he's pulling them off, so we've got to pull the motor out. Now the screws are removing the overload off of the contactor. With this furnished, you just reach in there, hook it over under the motor shaft, take any kind of bar, we're just using a bar clamp, and raise it up,